Alright, Jason, this is going to be a real-time video, so you're going to see every single mistake I make and all the trial and error that it takes to get there. But first thing I did is I just imported a flag with a circle in it, or you could create one easy enough. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create my stock. So click on this outer rectangle and go to model and click on this. I did that quick. Anyway, model shape. We're going to change this from round to flat. And the height, I'm going to assume my stock is 3/4 of an inch. And you could name this stock if you want. And merge type is going to be add. And hit apply and then show 3D. So now we have stock. And then the next thing I'm going to do is click on this circle and do the same thing. What is this called? Create component, whatever. And I'm going to leave this round. I'm going to leave it everything the same for right now, except this add I'm going to change to subtract. And I already know it's going to go all the way through the material, but so if we go to show 3D, that's what we get. So then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to change this height limit to scale height, and I'm going to change this height here to actually 0.3. Whoops, 0.3, and leave that as subtract. Hit apply, and then show 3D. Now we have a little bit of a dish, and you can change this, say, to 75, keep everything the same, hit apply, and you'll see it change. It gets a little bit deeper. Anyway, so you can play around with those. If you do limit height, you'll probably get a flat bottom on there. Yeah. So we want to keep this as scale height, and you can change this to 0.5. And again, you'll see it change. So I'm just going to go with that. And hit done, and then you have an SVG, I assume. So I don't have that eagle, I have a Darth Vader. That's what I'm going to use. And it's going to come in, and I can scale it and move it around, get it about in the center there. And I'm going to leave all this the same for now. We want to add that, so it's basically adding from the dish. Show 3D, and you can change all these until you hit done. So that's not very tall. So let's change this height to say 0.25, because we know that dish is 0.5 down from top of stock. All right, a little bit better. Let's go 0.3. Didn't really change anything, did it? Alright, but anyway, so you can play around with all those. You don't have to worry about, for the what you're trying to do, you don't have to worry about any of these other things. Other than you want to make sure that that is add. And click done. And then I'm going to come over here. I hate the cherry simulation, I like beach. And show 3D. And there it is. And then for your toolpaths, if you're just doing that, if you're doing the rest of the flag, regular, advanced VCarve, VCarve, or whatever, pocket, whatever you're doing. So we just want to click this first circle that we did and go to toolpaths, do your 3D rough. I'm just going to leave that 1/8 inch. I'd probably use 1/4 inch, but, and then not worry about any of that other stuff. And then click on 3D finish, use current selection, go in. Oops, I think I missed something. Oh, yep, okay. Edit. And I'm just going to use their default do 1/16 I'm going to change the step over. No, I can't change it on theirs. Yes, I can. All right. So 1/16 is 0.0625, so I'm going to make this 0.006. And click OK. And then show simulation. Yes, this is going to take a long time. And there it is. Anyway, hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.